text effect in under 1 minute. So what you have to do, go to effects, make sure here you click on effects, you have this enabled, and then what you have to do here in effects, make sure you search for linear wipe, drag it onto your video, and then here we have transition completion. Make sure you add a keyframe, click on this icon right over here, move couple frames, couple of seconds, and then increase transition completion. And now of course you add this to your text, not to your image. But anyways, and now you have this animation, but we like to add some feather. So here where it says feather, just increase this to 500, 300, just see the way you like. And now we have this effect. And of course, what is cool about Adobe Premiere is that you can actually copy your effects. So here I have a text, I can add a text here really fast. And now I can actually go to the image, right click on this effect, copy, move back here, paste. And now I have this effect, and I can actually move this effect from here. And now I have only for this text, this effect, as you can see. So now it's pretty cool. We have this effect, and we also have the keyframes here. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.